Let's make some cookies. We're gonna use a cake mix, a butter pecan cake mix. Here, we're gonna use a half a cup of oil, I believe, 2 eggs, use some butterscotch baking chips, and some Heath baking chips. And these are the Heath chips that have some chocolate on them. So let's get started. Well, here's the 2 eggs. I'm going to add the vegetable oil. You could use canola oil or any oil that doesn't have any flavor. That's a half a cup. We're going to mix this up. I have that all mixed up. I mixed it up on high until I didn't see any more oil floating around the edges. I'm going to add a third of the cake mix at a time and mix it up. Well, I got that mixed up. I mixed up the cake mix in there in 3 batches. I'm going to add the Heath chips and the Butterscotch chips and try and mix this up. Try and mix it. I have to tell you, that hand mixer of mine that I had there had a very rough time mixing that up. So if you have like a big KitchenAid mixer, you know, a stand mixer, I would suggest using that instead. So let me get this mixed up. I'm using a cookie scoop to scoop the cookies. You want them 2 inches apart. And then put these in your 350 degree oven, 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Alright, here are my first batch of cookies. They bake for 12 minutes. I'm going to let them cool down for 2 minutes. Then after 2 minutes, remove them to a cooling rack. Here's the cookies. That makes 3 dozen plus like 3 or 4 extra. So 3 dozen. They're nice and crispy around the edges, a little bit soft in the middle. And they are very good. They are very sweet and go great with ice cream. It goes so good with ice cream and then like caramel sauce on the ice cream. Oh, then they would be perfect that way. So thank you so much for watching.